Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of cleaning tools and solutions. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 spin mops of 2023. Whether you're a professional cleaner, a busy homemaker, or someone who wants to simplify their cleaning routine, having a reliable and efficient spin mop can make a world of difference. In this video, we'll review the top 5 spin mops based on factors such as cleaning performance, ease of use, durability, and versatility. These spin mops are designed to offer efficient and convenient cleaning, allowing you to tackle various surfaces and achieve sparkling results. We'll discuss features like a sturdy mop handle, a spinning mechanism for wringing out excess water, high-quality mop heads, and user-friendly designs. Whether you're cleaning hardwood floors, tile, or other surfaces, these spin mops will make your cleaning tasks easier and more effective. So, if you're in the market for a top-notch spin mop to enhance your cleaning routine in 2023, stay tuned as we present our top 5 picks for the best spin mops available on the market today. Starting at number 5, Free Hand Wash Rotary Mop. The Free Hand Wash Rotary Mop is a revolutionary cleaning tool that will transform your home cleaning routine. With its innovative design and advanced features, this mop and bucket set offers unparalleled convenience and efficiency. This single-drive rotary mop is made from high-quality microfiber fabric, ensuring superior absorbency and effective cleaning. Originating from mainland China, this mop showcases excellent craftsmanship and reliable performance. The cool thump green color of the mop adds a touch of style to your cleaning routine. With 2 cloth attachments and a glass wipe, this mop set is versatile and suitable for various cleaning tasks. The stainless steel mop bar guarantees durability and long-lasting performance. Its rotating mop type allows for effortless maneuverability and thorough cleaning of hard-to-reach areas. With a telescopic length of 135 centimeters, you can easily adjust the mop's height to suit your needs. With a corrosion resistance rating of Class 8, 0 to 8, 9. This mop is designed to withstand the test of time. Its microfiber material is highly efficient in trapping dirt and dust, ensuring a deep and thorough clean. The mop bucket, measuring 31 cm, 19 cm, provides ample space for water and cleaning solutions. The lifting bar and plastic disc mop bar type ensures easy handling and maneuverability. With a dehydration rate of 70% 80%, this mop efficiently removes excess water, leaving your floors almost dry after cleaning. The plywood size of 19 centimeters ensures optimal mop head coverage for efficient cleaning. The Free Hand Wash Rotary Mop features a single drive system, offering smooth and effortless operation. The accessory type includes a plastic basket for easy storage of the mop and accessories. With a high percentage of new plastic material, ranging from 80% to 99%, this mop demonstrates a commitment to sustainability and environmental consciousness. At number 4, Bucket Spin Mop. The Spin Mop bucket with hands-free squeeze is an essential tool for efficient and hassle-free home floor cleaning. With its innovative design and multifunctional features, this mop and bucket set will revolutionize your cleaning routine. The rectangular shape of the mop bucket provides stability and convenience during use. The hoisting rod and plastic tray mop rod type ensures durability and ease of handling. With a corrosion resistance grade of 9, 0 to 9, 9, this mop is built to withstand the test of time. The Spin Mop bucket comes with 10 high-quality mop heads, ensuring you have an ample supply for continuous cleaning. The square head shape allows for thorough cleaning of corners and hard-to-reach areas. Made from synthetic cloth, the mop heads are highly absorbent and effective at trapping dirt and dust. The telescopic handle type offers adjustable length for comfortable and customized cleaning experience. The mop pole, made of steel, adds sturdiness and durability to the mop's structure. The Spin Mop bucket is designed with a plastic basket and plastic pedal components, providing a convenient storage space for dirty mop heads and enabling hands-free wringing. The carton flow system ensures efficient wringing and moisture removal, with a dehydration rate of 90% 100%. Made from high-quality microfiber fabric, this mop delivers exceptional cleaning performance, Its quick absorption capability of less than 10 seconds allows for swift and effective cleaning, leaving your floors sparkling clean. With a weight range of 1 kilogram 4 kilograms, this mop and bucket set offers a lightweight and portable solution for your cleaning needs. Its origin in mainland China assures you of its reliable quality and craftsmanship. At number 3, Clean Water and Sewage Separation Mop. The Clean Water and Sewage Separation Mop with Bucket is a revolutionary cleaning tool that makes household cleaning tasks a breeze. With its innovative design and efficient functionality, this mop will transform your cleaning routine. Featuring a hook and loop type, this mop ensures a secure and hassle-free attachment of the mop head. The mop rod, consisting of a hoisting rod and a plastic tray, provides durability and stability during use. With a corrosion resistance grade of 9, this mop is built to withstand the test of time. The Clean Water and Sewage Separation Mop comes with 6 mop heads, ensuring you have plenty of replacements for continuous cleaning. The round head shape allows for easy maneuverability and reaching tight corners. The mop head material is made of PEP, which is highly absorbent and effective at capturing dirt and dust. The cleaning handle type offers a comfortable grip and easy control over the mop, allowing you to clean with precision. The mop pole, constructed with steel, adds durability and strength to the mop structure. The plastic basket component of the mop provides a convenient storage space for dirty mop heads, keeping them separate from clean water and maintaining hygiene. With a capacity of over 701 ml, the bucket can hold an ample amount of water, reducing the need for frequent refills. With its eco-friendly and stocked features, this mop is an excellent choice for environmentally conscious users. It allows for efficient cleaning while minimizing water wastage and promoting sustainability. The Clean Water and Sewage Separation Mop with Bucket is a reliable and effective cleaning tool that will make your household cleaning tasks easier and more efficient. Say goodbye to traditional mops and embrace the convenience and effectiveness of this innovative cleaning solution. At number 2, Thresmu Spin Mop. The Mop Water Separation Square Mop with Bucket is a versatile and efficient cleaning tool that will revolutionize your household cleaning routine. With its unique design and high-quality materials, this mop offers a convenient and effective cleaning experience. Featuring a flat platform nozzle type and a square head shape, this mop allows for thorough and precise cleaning. The mop rod, constructed with a hoisting rod and plastic tray, provides stability and durability during use. The corrosion resistance grade of 8 ensures long-lasting performance. The Mop Water Separation Square Mop comes with 5 microfiber fabric mop heads, providing ample replacements for extended use. The telescopic handle type allows for easy adjustment to your preferred height, ensuring a comfortable cleaning experience. With the ringing function and the carton flow system, this mop simplifies the process of removing excess water from the mop head. The dehydration rate of 80%-90% ensures that the mop head is damp, facilitating efficient cleaning without leaving excessive moisture behind. The microfiber fabric material of the mop heads is highly effective at trapping dirt, dust, and debris, leaving your floors sparkling clean. The mop heads are also easy to clean and maintain, ensuring long-term usability. With its practical features and durable construction, the Mop Water Separation Square Mop with Bucket is a reliable cleaning tool for your home. Say goodbye to traditional mops and embrace the convenience and effectiveness of this innovative cleaning solution. Whether you're tackling spills, stains, or general floor cleaning, this mop will exceed your expectations. At number 1, Joybose Spin Mop. The Joybose Spin Mop with Bucket is a convenient and efficient cleaning tool that simplifies your mopping tasks. With its innovative design and self-cleaning capabilities, this mop offers a hassle-free cleaning experience. Featuring a carrying-type design and a rectangular shape, the Joybose Spin Mop is easy to maneuver around your home. The mop rod, constructed with a hoisting rod and stainless tray, ensures durability and stability during use. The grade 5 corrosion resistance grade further enhances the longevity of this mop. The mop comes with 2 synthetic cloth mop heads, providing you with a spare for extended use. The square head shape allows for efficient cleaning of corners and edges, ensuring a thorough cleaning experience. The mop heads are made of microfiber fabric, which effectively captures dirt and grime, leaving your floors spotless. The self-cleaning feature of this mop is a standout advantage. The plastic basket component allows for easy wringing of the mop head, with a dehydration rate of 90% 100%. The carton flow system wringing method ensures effective water removal, leaving the mop head damp, not dripping wet. The Joybo Spin Mop is not only practical, but also environmentally friendly. The mop head material, microfiber fabric, is known for its superior cleaning performance and its ability to trap dust and particles effectively. This eco-friendly feature reduces the need for harsh cleaning chemicals, promoting a healthier living environment. With its user-friendly design and high-quality materials, the Joybo Spin Mop with Bucket is a reliable cleaning tool that will make your mopping tasks effortless and efficient. Say goodbye to traditional mops and embrace the convenience and effectiveness of this self-cleaning microfiber mop.